Did your PC suddenly get slow? Open Task Manager right now. You will be shocked. Microsoft Edge is sitting quietly and eating all your RAM. You did not even open the browser. Annoying, right? I had the exact same problem. This is not a bug, it is an intentional design by Microsoft. They want Edge ready before you even click. But this destroys your PC performance. RAM is gone. Fans go crazy. Games lag. I'm telling the truth, brother. Press Ctrl-Shift-Esc, Task Manager opens. Look at the background processes. See how many Edge processes are running. I was surprised when I saw it the first time. First, we will stop this background drain. Yes, even if you hate it, we have to go inside to fix it. This is the safest way for people whose other apps depend on Edge. Open Microsoft Edge. 3 dots in the top right corner. Click them. Scroll down when the menu opens. Settings option. Click to go inside. Simple. See how easy it is to start. Find System and Performance on the left sidebar. Click it. The real problem is hiding right here. Now let us see how we fix it. First is the Startup Boost option. This is what grabs your RAM. Click the toggle button. Turn it off. The pressure will drop a lot. You will feel it. Right below it is Continue running background extensions when Edge is closed. Turn this off too. That is it. Close Edge. Look how much RAM just became free. This is PC Error Detective. This is how we find the real speed. Small fixes, big results. If this trick helps you, subscribe to the channel. You will get more hidden fixes like this regularly. Now we will uninstall Edge from the root. Microsoft hit the uninstall button on purpose. Smart move by them. But we are smarter. Open the Microsoft Store directly. Type WinToys in the search bar. Install the app. No outside sites needed. It is 100% safe from the Microsoft Store. Small app. It will be fast. Open the app. Take control of your system is a big option on the home screen. Click it directly. The real control starts here. Wrench icon on the top left. Click to open the menu. Now we are going inside the settings. Follow carefully. Click the system option. Expand it. The real trick is hiding here. It will take a little time to find. You will find the Digital Markets Act option. Microsoft has to provide this because of European rules. Enable the switch. The magic is starting. Now give it a proper restart. Start menu, power, restart. Putting it in sleep mode will not work. Let the PC restart completely. PC restarted. Settings, apps, installed apps. Type Edge in search. There it is. Microsoft Edge is on the list. Click on uninstall. The uninstall button is visible now. Click it. Confirm. Edge is completely removed. RAM is in your control now. How did you like it? Let me know in the comments, brother.